Dean Merlina Vilocquial, department heads, faculty members, parents, relatives, friends, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed morning to all of you. Our mighty pens might have run out of ink for writing hundreds of pages of combined case studies and comprehensive nursing logbooks. Our fingers might be all numb in ticking 1,000 keys in our own keyboards just to complete our research works. Our eyes blurred, brains drained, reading those thick nursing books, and our bodies tired and exhausted because of those sleepless nights. But I must say that our hearts will never stop beating to express our love for our profession. Our hearts will forever be grateful to all those who have been instrumental for us to reach this remarkable day, our graduation day, a beautiful reality. To our beloved alma mater, Central Escolar University, it will always be an honor to be a part of you as graduates. We will continue to embody the university maxim, Scientia e Virtù, and promise to bear this philosophy wherever our destiny leads us. To the Administrative Council and the College of Nursing headed by Dean Merlina Vilocquial, the coordinators, faculty members, and staff who supported us all through the years, thank you for being our second family and home. We will always be proud of the chance that God has given us to have known and met you in the university as our mentors. To our families, where we found love, peace, and serenity, thank you so much. Many a times when we fail to acknowledge you and even ignore you, when we are at home very quiet and silent for hours or locked in our rooms. Despite all this, you never stopped extending your hands, ready to embrace us with love and understanding. This is the big reason for this celebration. We would like to take this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for us to recognize you, our dear parents. May I request our parents to please stand. Fellow graduates, please rise and let us give them a big round of applause. You may now all be seated. Parents, we will always be thankful for the beautiful experiences as a family. We will always be proud to say that your work and sacrifices have not been put to waste. We have been waiting for this to happen, to present these diplomas as our gifts to you. Something that is priceless and something that cannot be taken away from us. To our classmates and friends, thank you for the bonding moments which happened during our community immersions, hospital duties, and even up to the completion of our last NCPs and CNP logbooks. Hindi matatawaran ang mga taon na pinagsamahan natin bilang magkakagrupo sa una, na nauwi bilang magkakapatid sa una. Maraming salamat. And above all this, to the Almighty God, source of wisdom and strength, thank you for everything. Nothing would be possible for us to enjoy and and cherish if not for your divine love and care. We will always keep these blessings as opportunities for us to share with others. Fellow graduates, I want to end this address of thanks with this message as a bequeather. Always perceive success as one stretched arm away for us to hold and capture. Success will never come and approach us unless we search for it. It does not necessarily mean that we always have to go for larger movements to move farther. Always remember, in life, there are no assured shortcuts, only good strategies. Let this sweet sorrow of saying goodbye inspire us to be the persons we want to be. Always be proud to say that we were once and forever will be Escolarians. Congratulations, graduates of batch 2011. Aim for 100% board passing rate. May the loving and caring touch of God's hands be with us always. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Muli, isang makabuluhan at makasaysayang araw sa ating lahat. Mabuhay tayo mga Escolarino at Escolarina.